Good morning, Lions. Today is Wednesday, March 22nd, 2023. Welcome to another awesome day of learning here at Lemoore Elementary. We are so excited you're here, and we know it's going to be a great day because you are going to roar like a lion. Respect, on task, achieve, and responsibility. All right, Lions, today's weather calls for mostly rainy skies and a high of 55. The green air quality flag is flying, which means the air is good for everyone. All right, Lions. I've looked at two different apps. Some say cloudy and a little bit of rain. Some says rain all day. We're going to play it by ear again, Lions. So at this point, this morning we weren't supposed to have rain until 8:30, so we're going to get out on that playground for before school recess. We're going to look what it looks like at 9:40, and we'll go from there. All right, Lions, for lunch today, we will be having cheeseburger sliders, spaghetti and meat sauce. Birthdays today, we have Diego Lucas Vasquez will turn 6 in Miss Shiloh's, and Zanaya Torres is going to be 11 in Miss Rinaldi's. Happy birthday, Lions! All right, Lions. Yesterday's attendance, we had 36 absences, 54 tardies. That was 93%. All right, Lions. Now, we're doing much better with the absences. I'd still like it at 95 or higher, but we have a lot of tardies. I don't know if it's the weather or, people are kind of running slow in the morning. The time change will do that to you too. But let's get here on time, Lions, so that you're not missing things. That means also getting here in enough time to eat breakfast and be in class. Don't show up and then go eat breakfast. And if you're in there and the tardy bell rings, you're tardy. Okay, Lions? All right, classes with perfect attendance yesterday were Abad, Diaz, and Holland. All right, Lions, I want to talk, let me go through a little bit of the announcements. Basketball papers tryouts will be next week, so turn your basketball forms in on Friday. Okay, ICA testing is going to continue today. We had over 200 tests not completed, right? For some of you, it might be one test. For some of you, it might be double. I know our 4th grade friends were still working on their math performance tests today, but your teachers are going to be working on getting those tests completed with you. Some of you, it looked like the tests were done and you forgot to submit it. So I'm hoping that's a lot of them. Or you might have been on the last problem, forgot to do the last problem, closed it down. So we want to get those completed this week so that we can grade them and let you know what your scores are by next week. All right, Lions? So really focus. Remember, Lions, especially those of you in the Washington building, we don't stomp, we don't run, we don't jog. We walk through the hallway and we do it quietly. We're not screaming and yelling. That's disrupting other people's learning, and that's not showing how to roar in the hallway. Okay, Lions? So be mindful and respectful of those around you. Also, Lions, today we got a really special group coming through. They're going to come through some of the classrooms. It is our DLAC, which is our District English Language Advisory Committee. It is parents from every school in the district that will be walking through and looking at what we do here at Lemoore Elementary. So I want you guys, when they come in, to stay focused on what your teacher's doing and on your learning. If they ask you questions, you can answer them, but continue to focus on learning. We want to see you and the work you're doing in the classrooms. All right, Lions, and I want to say a big, giant, huge thank you to all of you yesterday who responsibly, acted in the assembly and got to meet Kevin. Several of you did. The energy was amazing, especially with our first graders yesterday. You guys rocked it out yesterday. I'm super proud of you. Not only in the assembly did our first graders do an amazing job, but when we went through classrooms yesterday, there was some awesome learning, and people were able to tell me what they were working on. They were able to tell me specifically what they went to intervention for. So great job, Lions. And I know we keep saying it, but we only have 44 days of school left. That's it. That's not that much. We have a lot to do. We have to really stay focused on our job, which is learning. All right, Lions. So we're going to remember what Mr. Bracey said. We're going to speak some greatness, right? Greatness talk. Remember to tell yourself, I'm awesome. I am brilliant. I believe in me. I matter. Over and over, Lions, okay? All right, I have one last shout out, and that shout out's to Silviana Sanchez. She has learned all 50 of her sight words. Awesome job. All right, Lions, that is all I have for this wonderful Wednesday. Now, again, it may be raining on and off all day. Also, pay attention to what your PE teachers are telling you to do. But it's going to be a great day. You're going to get out and get some exercise, even if it's in the classroom with your PE teachers. But lean into that physical activity, because with all this rain, that's the part we're missing. All right, Lions. Remember, we are one school with one goal, and that's to learn every day. Success isn't an accident, it's a choice. And I want you to make that choice today. All right, Lions, it's now time for the flag salute.